Clement with Kathy by Design for the Button Farm Club. I'm here today to introduce you to our third quarter Life Captured kit. This is a little series that we've been doing in 2023 so you can document all the events of the year. We started back in, I believe, November of 2022 with quarter one. Then in February, we did quarter two, and now we're in May, and we're doing quarter three. So we're covering the months of July, August, and September. And we're going to start off, I'm going to show you the papers that are coming in your kit. I've broken these down by month. The July papers, you're going to receive 2 of each of the Life Captured July papers. The one that has all the cut-aparts, and the one with this fun polka dot design. Then you're also going to get from the 6x8 pad this striped piece with the office supplies and this polka dot with the florals. So that's going to be real pretty together. You're also going to receive this piece of bunnies and balloons with the pretty gingham pattern. And then you're going to receive from America the Beautiful this wonderful paisley and plaid mix. For your color vibe papers, you're going to get 2 pieces of the navy. You're going to get a piece of photoplay red that is black on the back. And you're going to get a piece of this beautiful mint color vibe cardstock. So that's July. August, you're going to get 2 sheets of the August papers, one with this fun back to school theme and the office supplies, school supplies. You're going to get this quad sheet from the 6x8 that has the colorful cameras on the back, this really sweet little heart print that says "Make Today Great" on the back. You're going to get this chipboard frame, back to school theme. You're going to get a 12x12 sheet of homegrown Rise and Shine with this really pretty coral floral pattern. And then you're going to get this bright, bold plaid that says this is from Let's Get Crafty. For your color vibe cardstock, you're going to get a piece of peacock, a piece of coral, and a piece of green. And that brings us to September, which has this wonderful sort of office school theme. You're going to get 2 sheets with these fun potted plants. You're going from the 6x8, you're going to get a striped sheet, and you're going to get this quad sheet that has the floral on the back. You're going to get this fun double chipboard frame. You're going to get another sheet of this Harvest Market. I love this plaid and it's so good for fall. And we're pairing this up with the Let's Go teardrop print. You're going to get a sheet of apricot, a sheet of peacock, and a sheet of coral cardstock. Now let's take a look at the fun embellishments that come with this kit. You're going to get an entire 6x12 sheet of these wonderful chipboard stickers. We're going to have fun with these. Then you're also going to receive this page kit with all sorts of wonderful little images, titles. We're going to have a lot of fun with this, guys, and these really dress up these little folios. You're going to get 2 packages of gold paper clips. You're going to get 3 binder clips in bright colors that coordinate with the collection. 2 yards of black and white baker's twine. You're going to get 6 buttons, mix and match, that go with the collections. And you're going to get these 3 adorable charms. You've got the star for July, the flip-flop for August, and the light bulb for September. So great kit. We're going to make a lot of really fun little details in these folios. If you haven't seen them before, you can check out on Button Farm Club. I think they still have a few of the earlier kits available. So I'll put these together and show you what we're making. So what are we making? Well, here we go. Here's our July folio. I love how these bright and happy these are. Little star charm buttons, a little clip. fun little flip page with room to do little journaling. Then over here, this really fun little journal spot, our waterfall feature with the paper clip, a little pocket here with goodies tucked in. This is our ginormous pullout that we also have a little paper clip on. This has got so much room for goodies, guys. And this folio makes me think of watermelon. The colors, it's like, oh, I'm craving watermelon. It's so pretty. And then here's our inside panel with our fun pocket with a little journal spot and a photo spot. And this actually flips, so you can put a photo beneath a photo. And then our little side pocket over here with a wonderful photo folio and a journal card with room on the back for another photo. So these all follow the same basic format. They're super easy. If you're a beginner folio maker, I highly recommend this. You're going to learn so many techniques that you can transfer over to making other folios. But you can see these are bright, they are colorful, they are happy, and they are loaded. So I think you're really going to enjoy making these. Little fun tips and tricks that I share along the way to maximize the use of your paper. Fun little ideas that you can incorporate into other paper crafting projects. So this one is August. It's got a little back to school theme. And this is September, which I love this little aqua pickup truck and the butterflies. And here's a quick peek inside this one. This time the fold out goes from the top, which is super fun. And then underneath, this is a flip page with a bunch of goodies in there. So that's what we're making this month with this wonderful kit. You can get yours today at Button Farm Club. If you missed out on the first 2 quarters, I think Laura still has some kits left for that. You can check and see if there are any there, and you can document 2023 in style. All right, guys, thanks for joining me. Kathy Clement, Kathy by Design. Go get your craft on.